Welcome to the channel. Want to make money online by promoting products you love? Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn commissions without creating your own products. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics, how to choose a niche, find the best affiliate programs, and drive traffic to start earning. So hit that like button and let's get started. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online, especially for beginners. It allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies. The best part is that you don't need to create your own products or manage inventory. All you have to do is drive traffic and encourage people to purchase through your affiliate links. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started with affiliate marketing, from choosing the right niche to optimizing your strategy for success. 10. Understanding affiliate marketing. To begin with affiliate marketing, you need to understand how it works. Essentially, you partner with a company or brand as an affiliate and receive a unique tracking link. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Different companies offer different commission rates, and some programs even provide recurring commissions for subscription-based services. The key to success is choosing the right products and promoting them effectively to your target audience. 9. Choosing the right niche. The first step in affiliate marketing is choosing a niche. Your niche is the specific area or topic that you will focus on promoting. It's essential to select a niche that interests you and has a sizable audience. Popular niches include health and wellness, technology, fashion, finance, and travel. The more passionate you are about your niche, the easier it will be to create content and engage with your audience. Additionally, selecting a niche with high-demand products will increase your chances of earning commissions. 8. Finding affiliate programs. After selecting your niche, you need to find affiliate programs to join. There are several ways to find affiliate programs. You can sign up for affiliate networks such as Amazon Associates, ShareASale, CG Affiliate, and Rakuten Marketing. These platforms connect you with various brands that offer affiliate programs. Alternatively, you can search for individual company affiliate programs by visiting their websites. Many businesses run their own affiliate programs and allow you to sign up directly. When choosing an affiliate program, consider the commission structure, payment terms, and the quality of the products or services being offered. 7. Creating high-quality content. Once you have joined an affiliate program, it's time to create content to promote your affiliate links. Content marketing is one of the most effective ways to attract potential buyers. You can create blog posts, videos, social media posts, email newsletters, and other types of content that showcase the products you're promoting. For example, if you're in the tech niche, you can write detailed reviews of the latest gadgets and include affiliate links within your content. The goal is to provide value to your audience while seamlessly incorporating your affiliate links. 6. Utilizing SEO for organic traffic. Search engine optimization plays a crucial role in driving organic traffic to your affiliate content. By optimizing your website or blog posts with relevant keywords, you increase the chances of your content appearing in search engine results. Researching and using long-tail keywords related to your niche can help attract targeted traffic. Additionally, optimizing your content with engaging titles, meta descriptions, and internal linking will improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. 5. Leveraging social media marketing. Another effective way to promote affiliate products is through social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook allow you to reach a broad audience and engage with potential buyers. Creating engaging posts, reels, and videos showcasing the benefits of the products can help drive traffic to your affiliate links. Influencer marketing also plays a role in affiliate marketing, as partnering with influencers in your niche can amplify your reach and increase conversions. 4. Email marketing strategies. Email marketing is another powerful tool for affiliate marketers. Building an email list allows you to nurture relationships with your audience and promote affiliate products directly to them. Offering free resources such as ebooks, guides, or exclusive discounts in exchange for email signups can help grow your list. Once you have a list, you can send personalized emails with product recommendations, special offers, and valuable content to encourage purchases. 3. Using paid advertising. Paid advertising can also be used to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Platforms like Google Ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads allow you to target specific audiences based on their interests and demographics. Running paid ads requires a budget and careful testing to ensure you get a positive return on investment. Many successful affiliate marketers use a combination of organic and paid traffic strategies to maximize their earnings. 2. Tracking and analyzing performance. Tracking and analyzing your affiliate marketing performance is crucial for improving your strategy. Most affiliate programs provide analytics tools that allow you to track clicks, conversions, and commissions. By reviewing your data regularly, you can identify which products perform well and adjust your marketing efforts accordingly. A/B testing different content formats, headlines, and promotional strategies can help optimize your campaigns for better results. 1. Scaling and growing your affiliate business. As you gain experience in affiliate marketing, scaling your efforts becomes the next step. Expanding your content, diversifying traffic sources, and experimenting with new affiliate programs can help increase your earnings. Many successful affiliate marketers create multiple niche websites, build a strong brand presence on social media, and continuously optimize their content strategy to generate passive income over time. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and consistency. However, with the right strategies and dedication, it can become a lucrative source of income. Whether you're looking to earn a side income or build a full-time business, affiliate marketing offers endless opportunities for growth and financial freedom. By choosing the right niche, creating valuable content, leveraging in social media, and tracking your performance, you can set yourself up for long-term success in the world of affiliate marketing. And that's how you can start making money with affiliate marketing. The key is to pick the right niche, promote quality products, and drive consistent traffic. Which affiliate program are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more online money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.